Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see on my screen, today I am going to start a new series based on RA6M3. So we will covering many topics related to this board, why this board has been selected for the this series, what is the advantage, what will be the key feature, what will the peripheral working on it. So we will be going to cover all those things. So step by step I will be covering video for the every topics, for the every peripheral working codes. So let us start. What will be the key feature, key videos for this series. So now so what you are going to learn. So I am covering basic RA-MCU architectures, RA6M3, working with ET Studio. What is the ET Studio? What is the key function of ET Studio? What will be the debug feature? How FSP will be work? FSP stands for flexible software packages. So how it helps to generate the code after the configuration, how you can import those configuration in your code, how can you implement this. So we are going to cover all those things. So step by step we are going to cover it. So while many devices a bunch of devices, a number of devices available in the market of like RS series, so why I have been selected this particular evolution board. So I will be going to explain you why I have been selected this board. So this will be more interactive things going to happen. uh, One view of this board why have been chosen, you can see every peripheral GPIOs extension GPIOs is there, so you can easily connect everything. Here the Ethernet port is also there. Here the debug feature, debug connector is also there. Some of USB functions is also there. So here you can connect Arduino. So the user key buttons here, the LEDs here. So everything whatever we want to learn in this series, those things are available in this board. So the reason why I have chosen this board is the simply is that every peripheral things are on the available on the board. So let us go deep in this series. So if I want to conclude about the connectivity options, the Ethernet, USB CAN and multiple real time interfaces you can add and work. So later on we will be also seeing HMI application TFT display, because this device is inbuilt TFT drivers, so no need to add any ICs to enable that LCDs. So we will be going to see those things. So the practical, every video will be based on the practical experiences. We will be getting the those information practically. We will be seeing those working on the boards in real time. I will share the screen, how it works. I will share that video, how the real time event is going to happen on the board. So I have that board, I will going to show you everything related to it. Okay, so coming to the project roadmap. So here is some lines, bullet points. We are going to make some detailing and practical videos, that is GPIOs. It is the basic codes we are going to explain. UART project, ADC using sensor interface. Either you can add preset, or you can say voltage controller circuits. So you will be seeing varieties of application we are going to do based on PWM, Ethernet, USB, TFT. So any application available on that particular platform, you are going to import it. I will also show the content available where it is available on the sites. So I will going to explain everything. So to whom I am basically targeting, why targeting, if you want to start your embedded system beginner engineer, so you will be working on Renesas. So we have to start with the basic things. So So those things is my target, like from the basics to advanced you will be learning those things. So this session will be very interactive going to happen. So this series will be help you understand the real world embedded development things, like what is happening, what is in real world in these days, what is going to happen. So those things I will be explaining. So these things we are going to start. So in next video I am going to explain the board feature. I will be unboxing the board. If you order this board, if you like use this board, what will be the inside the boxes. And after that we will be like enabling the board, the first code or boot up the board or power on of the board. So we are going to like in next two this series we will be like slowly moving to our main target, whether an engineer can work on the RA6M3. So this is the basic things I have introduced today. So that's all for today. So for the future connectivity, please subscribe my channel and click on the notifications bell so that you can get the video at earliest when I upload. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.